I made it to my next camping event. I am in East Texas at Caddo Lake State Park. Here's Callie. She's my little calico. When I bring the motor home on camping trips, the cats come with me. We had an uneventful drive today. It was great. Sorry, I'm kind of looking like a wild woman and the camera's shaking. I just got here and got the camper all set up. I am meeting the girls in my group tonight. It's one of the 2 camping groups I belong to for ladies only. And we're going to a restaurant tonight for dinner since everyone traveled all day rather than meeting for a cookout. And in case you don't know, this is Frugal Days with Danina. My name is Danina Mullen. I'm a 56-year-old early retired teacher, and I am on my last camping event of the year. Glad to take you with me. See you soon. Good morning. Welcome to Frugal Days with Danina. I am an early retired teacher living on my teacher's retirement pay. I am 56 years old and I am currently on a camping trip at Caddo Lake in Texas with one of the ladies' camping groups that I belong to. I thought this would be a beautiful place to take my morning walk and take you along with me. Right now we are in the tent camping area and I will take you down by the water shortly. This is the tent camping area. I thought it would be a good place for my walk. Then I'll take you down by the water where later today we will be kayaking. All right, let's head down by the water. It's a gorgeous morning. Might be having a little rain later on. But it is very pretty right now. Some cloud cover. It's not hot. Fish are jumping. And we're gonna go kayaking later today. Join me. Here's our kayaks. Walking out on this little dock. Beautiful. All right, here's some of this Louisiana scenery. Lots of big tall trees, lots of greenery. I'm in an RV park. Got a couple more days here with my family and then I'll head home. We went to the pumpkin patch yesterday. It was lots and lots of fun. Thanks for joining me.